Hello everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 75, sort colors. Given an array nums with n objects colored red, white or blue, sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in order red, white and blue. We will use integers 0, 1 and 2 to represent the color. What they given on question nums of n colored objects. We should make adjacent color with the red, white and blue to represent them. Red for given 0, white is given for 1 and blue is given for 2. And they told us we not to use any library sort function. Okay. In example 1, what they given input nums equals to 2 0 2 1 1 0, and we need to return 0 0 1 1 2 2 adjacent colors in ascending order we need to do. In input example 2, input nums equals to 201 and output is 012. Now we can jump into the coding. How will work? We can see there is a one logic I will apply now. For int I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot size plus plus. For int j equals to I, j is less than nums dot size j plus plus. If nums of I is greater than nums of j, then I will use one logic, swap nums of I comma nums of j. Okay, we can run the code. This is accepted solution, but what is happening in this logic? The time complexity is taking big of n log n. So there is another logic. We can reduce the time complexity and it is optimal solution with big of n. Let's that one I will write the code now. By using the three pointer approach. Now we can run the code. What we use it in this code? Here we given one function sort colors and we are passing the parameters of vector in type and address of nums. I had taken by using the three pointers, I implemented this code. By first time low will be pointing to 0 and mid is pointing to 0 and I is pointing to the last value. Okay, nums dot size -1. This condition will work only when mid value is less than or equals to I. Once mid value will be greater than I, then we will come to know that all values are sorted. Here what is happening, if the condition will be nums of mid, anything any value is equal to 0 means this logic will be work. If the mid value is equal to 1 means else if will work. If the mid value is equals to 2 means then else will work. We can dry run the program, then for we will know how the code will work. I will take first example for better understanding. See, in this what I will do, I will point low, well, my low equals to 0 and mid is also 0 and I nums dot size minus means how many elements this will be there, no, that -1 we need to do. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, so 5 elements. Now while mid value what is there, 0, right? I value 5, 0 is less than 5. Okay, this condition is true, so we are entering into the while loop. We need to check now condition. which condition is will match. Okay, we should see nums of mid value. What is there? 0, right? 0. Nums of 0 equals to, we need to see nums of 0. What is there? 2, right? 2. So our nums of 0 will become 2. 2 equals to, it will match to the 2 because 0 will not match, 1 will not match, so our else will work now. Okay, 2 equals to 2 means our else will work. Now these will swapped. Uh, Nums of mid value is what here? 0, right? 0 and nums of, we need to see I value. I value is what? 5. These indices get interchanged. Afterwards, we will make our I decrement to 4. Now we can do, these will get swapped now. This will become 0 and our fifth index will become 2. Okay, now our I value will be changed to 4. Our condition will be 0 is less than 4. Now we will check again. Nums of 0, nums of mid equals 0. Nums of 0, this condition will work now. I will show nums of, here mid value is what there? 0, right? 0 equals to we see. Nums of 0, what is that? 0, right? So 0 equal to 0 means first if block will be worked. Now nums of low, what is there? 0, right? Nums of 0 and nums of mid value is also 0. So 0. These two get swapped. Afterwards, we will update our low value to 1 and mid value also 1. These values will be interchanged, 0 with 0 only. Now our mid value will be and low value will be updated to 1 and 1. Now condition will become 1 is less than 4. This condition is true. So we will check again. Nums of 1. Nums of 1, what is that? 0. So 0 equals to 0 will become. Nums of 1 is also 0. Okay. Then this condition will be worked. Nums of low value is also 1 and nums of mid value is also 1. Same, now our low value will be updated to 2 and mid value is also updated to 1. Index is what? 0. So 0 will be interchanged with 0 only. Now we will, our mid value and low value we can change here. Now our condition will become 2 is less than 4. We can see now nums of 2. Index we should, nums of 2 means what? 2 means else will work here. Nums of 2 is there here 2. Okay, now we can change here. We need to see our low value and our I value. Low value is 2 and our I value is here 4. These two values get swapped. Here 1 will come and fourth index will come 2. Now our I value will be decremented to 3. We can update here. Our condition will become 2 is less than 3. This condition is true. So we will enter into our if condition. Nums of 2 we can check. Nums of 2, what is there? 1, right? 1 will be equals to 1. So else if will work now. Else if mid value will be now 2 will be updated to 3. Now the condition will become, it will be equal. Okay, 3 is less than or equals to 3. Okay, this condition is true. So what we will make, our mid value will be now nums of 3. We will see now. Nums of 3 value, what is there? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 index, what is there? 1. Okay, 1 will be equals to 1. So our else if will be worked. Else if will be in what? 4. Now our mid value will be 4. Okay, 4 is less than or equals to 3. This condition is false. I told already. Once mid value will be greater than I, then it will not work, and we will come to know that all our values are get sorted. See, 0 is at low and 2 is at high and 1 is at middle. Now we came to know our all elements are get sorted. Now we can see the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. Time complexity is big of n because we are traversing all the elements at least once. So time complexity is big of n. And space complexity is big of 1 because we are not using any extra variable, only constant amount of space is taking. Only we are taking only 3 pointers, that's it. So thank you guys for watching my video.